Today I will be answering one of the greatest questions I've ever had in the history of questions I've probably ever had. Hello everyone and welcome back to the NatsMoThoon channel. Alright guys, so I'm assuming most of you know where this video is going because you clicked on the video, so you saw the thumbnail, you saw the title of it. A little backstory. 12 years ago, a creator named Julian made a video titled Hot Kool Aid. Kool Aid was made in a coffee pot, and I don't really know if that's like how he actually made it. I don't know if it would taste good like that. I've looked up how to make hot Kool Aid. I can't find any good videos of people actually making Kool Aid in a coffee pot. And you know, it's actually been making me kind of upset because I just want to know. I just went out to the store, bought a coffee pot, bought some Kool Aid. I'm gonna do this myself because I need the answers. Okay, it's been 12 years. We're gonna find out today. And if there's anybody else out there that have had the same question as me, I hope you see this video. Picked up the cheapest coffee pot I could get my hands on. Went ahead and cleaned it already. Got my Kool Aid. There's only one thing left to do. Alright guys, there it is. This is actually hot. You can probably see the steam on there. So let's go ahead and taste it. Smells good. That's actually really good. It's a little bit hot though. Needs a little ice to cool it down, you know what I'm saying? A little bit too hot. But yeah, hey, I mean, it works. It can make Kool Aid in a coffee pot. Here's to you, Julian. It tastes good.